settle, sit, and stay.
Hi, Sargy. Stay back, honey. You don't want to scare him. Good boy, it's okay.
What did I say, mister?
No.
Not to you.
Mom. Patrick, don't be all overly bearing here.
It's okay.
You know how he is with the cats, right to the butt. I knew it. He doesn't like that, Pat. Watch out, he'll poke your eye out, Patrick. He's like, what is this thing?
I know what you're eating. You don't want the corn, do you? No, you want the millet seeds. Patrick, leave him alone now. Let him come eat. His name is Patrick. I'm Lois. That is Heather. Yeah, that's Heather.
And Sargy. Look, I told him to stay, to give him space.
Sargy,
He's listening.
Good boy, Sargy. Patrick, come out of that chicken's ass. Patrick. Hello.
It's a boy, Patrick. Now leave him alone. He's so calm. It's unbelievable.
The rooster?
Yeah.
Yeah. He says, this is my food. I'm standing on it.
Yep.
He said, no one's going to eat this food but me. I'm eating this food.
No, Sargy. Come here. Give him
He's got the
space.
stealth
I
look.
know. I'm watching him. Sargy's a lover, not a fighter.
I can take him out back and twist his neck and eat
Mom,
him.
now stop.
Just kidding. We'd never do that to such a beautiful little rooster. No, I wouldn't.
He's not big enough for all those feathers
I
anyway.
wonder how long you were outside.
I know, it's awful.
I wonder how long poor little baby was out in that heat. You happy? Isn't he cute, Patrick? You love that rooster. Oh, Patrick loves him.
Yeah, I know. He was excited. Mom, maybe he thinks it's finally a friend his...
Are you videoing? Oh.
Maybe he thinks it's finally a friend his size. Look, it's someone who's tolerating him for once.
Patrick, he don't want to kiss you. Now stop. That's too close.